Hey mamas, welcome to today's prenatal yoga session. The theme for today is sound. So in today's practice, we are going to use sound through various movements that will help us keep our awareness and focus on the sound that will help calm our nervous system down. So it is such an important tool, not just for labor, but also in your general life. When you want to deal with those intense sensations and you just want to use sound to calm you down. So let's get started by coming into a standing position on our mats. Making an eye connection with your foot and just pressing down through all the four corners as you take each step. And taking deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good. And now as you take slightly faster steps, you still maintain that connection. Beautiful. Come to a standing position wherever you are. Gently close your eyes and keep one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, and a gentle smile on your face. Just taking a few moments to connect within and with your baby. Beautiful. Slowly releasing your hands. And we start with some neck rolls. You can either keep your eyes closed or open for the first few rounds and then close and do the movement. So taking a breath in, and as you breathe out, chin to the chest, and we start doing some neck rolls. Halfway through the round, breathing in, and halfway through the round, breathing out. And let us reverse. And this time, as your head comes down, take a breath in and slowly come back up. Very good. Now let us keep our hands on our waist, and we are going to do those hip circles. So keep your legs wide and some hip circles, keeping the knees soft. Just make some movements that feel really good for you, maybe side to side, or taking a nice stretch this way, or maybe just doing some circles. So make it your own movement. Good. And slowly coming back up. Now we are going to walk with imagining that we all are big dinosaurs, okay? So really getting the leg knee high and then placing it down, okay? Just start walking around the room, yeah? just because we are trying to warm up the legs. Good. Just getting the knees sideways as high as you like, because sometimes the bump can come in the way. So try and keep your knees sideways. Very good. And now as you're walking, try and get your heels to your buttocks. So see if you can touch your heels to your buttocks as you walk around. And come to a standing position where you are. We'll do a good, nice shake the body, and we're also going to incorporate fluttering of the lips. Okay, so why do we shake the body? You must be wondering, why do I make you do this every time? It looks so funny. What happens when you shake the body? The body warms up, yeah? Sorry? Yeah, and what else? What do you think? Can you tense your body and do this? Can you do that? No, when you're doing this, you're just releasing in every part of the body, yeah? It also helps regulate your nervous system down, and like Danny said, helps, because you're doing movement, so of course your body is warming up. So let's do it. So anytime you feel tensed, or you like, probably in your work or anywhere, just try this, like do a nice shake, put on a music, and give a nice shake to your body. Shake your head, flutter your lips like a horse. Yeah. Shake it. And relax. And just close your eyes and just become aware. How is it feeling? Are you still feeling any tension in any part of your body? Take your time and just shake it out with some fluttering lips. Or how are you feeling overall? Are you feeling grounded onto the floor? Do you feel the connection with the floor? And as we stand here, we are going to still keep our eyes closed, and we are going to repeat two words. One is so and other is hum. Okay, so as you take a breath in, can you repeat with me? So, and as you breathe out, hum. Okay, let's do it together. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. Keep going. So, hum. So, and relax. Keep your breaths in and out. And maybe in your mind you could keep repeating those words. As you repeat so, feel that upward current of energy from the floor to the tip of your head. And as you repeat hum, just feel as if you're grounding onto the floor. Feel the weight onto the floor. That energy flowing back onto the floor, helping you stay stable, stay grounded. Beautiful. Keep your eyes closed as it is, and as we breathe in, we are going to tighten each and every part of our body. Lift up our shoulders, crunch up our face, lift up the pelvic floor. And as you exhale, we are going to do a ha sound and release the whole body. Ha. Okay, let's do it together. Breathe in, scrunch it up, tighten it and release. Ha. 2 more times. Breathe in, scrunch up your face, tighten. Ha. Breathe in, up, long. Ha. Take a couple of ha sounds again. Just as you breathe in and release with the ha. Wonderful. And slowly you can open your eyes. How did you find that? Yeah? Good. So we are starting our sound practice. Yeah? So we incorporated a little bit in the warm-ups, and as we go through the practice today, we will do more. Okay? So keeping hip width distance, we are going to imagine as if there is a chair behind us and we are going to sit on that. Okay? I like your expression, Chloe. Okay, so you can take the support of a wall, okay, if it's difficult for you, or you can sit back. Now here, just make sure you're not arching your back, otherwise it will start giving you backache. So hug your belly in, and your back should be sort of this way, okay, your tailbone tucked in, belly in, and then sit down. Okay, yeah. So take the support of a wall if you like. Grab a wall. Yeah, and stretch your hands forwards. Very good. Well done. And keep using those audible ha sounds to help you deal with those sensations that you're feeling in the thighs. It will be intense. Yeah. And slowly come back up. Now let us come into a seated position on our mat. As always, grab a cushion to keep your hips higher than your knees. Good. Gently close your eyes and keep one hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. And we are going to do 3 rounds of the bass humming breath. So as we take a normal breath in and we breathe out, we are going to seal our lips and create the humming sound. Okay? So take a nice deep breath in and out first. And breathing in. And as you breathe out, seal your lips. In. Last round in. And relax. Just become aware of which part of your body are you feeling the vibrations in. Gently relaxing your hands on your knees, keeping that awareness with those vibrations. Beautiful. Very, very slowly opening your eyes. So we are going to make a square with the legs. So just move your front leg slightly forwards, getting the heel close to the knee, the opposite knee, and making sort of a square. Yeah? Take a breath in, raise both the arms up, and breathing out, fold forwards, and just walk your hands forwards, just as much as is possible. Let us walk our hands to your left side, back to center, and to your right side. And back to center. And just take a few curls and uncurls like a cobra here. So breathing in, look up and down, breathing out. So sway, curl, uncurl. Just take a movement that feels good. And anytime you feel like it's an intense sensation, just use your breath to help you work through it. But if it feels like a pain, just take a step back. Wonderful. Slowly walk your hands up. And we do the same thing on the other side. So sort of switch your legs. If the left leg was in the front, this time the right leg will be in the front. Take both the arms up, breathing up, and breathing out, fold forwards. Once again, walk your hands to your right side this time. And back to center. And to the left side. Back to center. Take a few sways here or curl, uncurls, whatever feels good. Very good. And slowly come back up. Good. Raise your right arm up and press the elbow with the other hand. Enjoying a nice stretch. Staying here, we start taking some body rolls. So take a breath in and breathing out. Fold forwards and start taking some rolls from one side, back to the other. Down. Let us switch the hands as we come up. First taking a nice stretch and then breathing in and folding forwards. And doing it in the opposite direction. Release your hands. As you come up, your left hand on the mat, right hand up and over. Good. And to the other side. And once again to the other side. Stretching and taking some circles here this time. Feels good? Yeah. The other way around. Wonderful. And rainbow your hands and go on to the other side, and we take some circles in both the directions here. One way first and the other way around. Last time, and slowly coming back up. So now we stretch our legs in a V shape. If you have pelvic girdle pain, please keep the legs closer. And if you are in your late third trimester, pop yourselves up. So sit on the bolster or probably two cushions to lift your hips higher than your knees. Good. Now sliding your right hand along the right leg, taking the left arm up and over for a nice side stretch. And make sure you're sort of bending sideways, not to the front. Even if you're slightly up, that's okay. Good. And keep breathing in and out. Maybe take some pulses up and down here. Beautiful. Slowly come back up. Now bend your left leg in. So your left leg, placing the left hand at the back. And we are going to press the right foot down. We are going to do a lift. Okay? So lift your hip up and show me. Yeah, good. And throw the front hand up and all the way to the back. Beautiful. Coming into a stargazer's pose. And coming back down. Wonderful. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's switch to the other side. Sliding the left hand along the left leg. Right hand up and over to the front. Pulsing here. Keeping the legs active. That means pulling your toes in towards your head. And from here, rainbow the right hand to the back. Bring the right leg in. Very good. Press down on the left foot and lift up. And the left hand up and over to the back. Okay, you can do this seated as well. Just follow the stretch. It's not necessary to lift your hip up. If that's not very comfortable, you can stay here. Okay, well done. Come back down. Bring your legs together. Give them a good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Good. Now let us come into a tabletop position. So coming onto your palms and knees. We are going to take some rotating cat-cows. So probably by now you know what a cat-cow stretch is. But I'll just repeat the instructions, and we are going to do it rotating. So halfway through the round a cat and halfway through the round a cow. So as you breathe in, scoop your head through to come into a cat stretch. And as you breathe out, chin to the chest, round your back to come into a cow or a camel stretch. So we do this rotating. So halfway through the round cat, halfway through the round a camel or a cow. So do this at your own pace. Very, very good for any back pain issues. Very good for your overall spinal health and spinal mobility. Very good. And come back to center. From here, hugging your baby in, gently lift up your right leg and bring it close to the knee. If this is not comfortable, please continue with some cat-cows or some hip circles. Sometimes this may not be very comfortable if you have pelvic girdle pain. You can do some hip circles or cat-cows. Otherwise, join me here. Good. We're going to hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and down.
Good. Let's do it on the other side. Lifting up your pelvic floor, hugging your belly in, and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Well done. From here, we are going to do a small flow. So we are going to do one round of cat and cow. We are going to go back into child's pose. From here, we are going to come into up dog. That means we are going to scoop our head through and stretch up like this. So it's a little different from your cow stretch. Here you are you can have a look at my legs. You're stretching up, sort of coming into a baby up dog, okay? If this is not comfortable, continue into cat cow. From here, if you're comfortable, you're going to tuck your toes, lift your knees up and come into down dog. Other option is place your forearms and come into a puppy pose. Okay, let's do it together. So the only change is the down dog, okay? How many of you are comfortable doing the down dog, you think? Raise your hands. Okay, so I'll show both the variations. Let's do first one cat cow. Cat, cow. Take a child's pose. Keeping the knees wide, letting your head come down. Beautiful. From here, come up into up dog. And even here, you keep hugging your belly in. Don't leave it loose. Very good. Excellent. And come back. From here, tuck your toes and lift your knees up. You can even stay here if that's comfortable rather than going into full down dog. And then coming back down. Once again, let's take a cat-cow stretch. Child's pose. Good. Up dog. Hugging the belly in. Well done. Back to tabletop. Down dog or puppy variation, whatever is comfortable. Very good. And back down. And let us all take a puppy stretch. It's so nice and juicy. So let us all take it. I saw nobody went for the puppy stretch. So nice. Wonderful. Slowly coming back up into tabletop. We are going to tuck our toes. Okay. And then we are going to push back. You should start feeling the stretch at the back of your toes. Everybody feeling it? Good. Stay there. And keep smiling. Use your breath. Whenever it's uncomfortable, whenever you feel sensation is strong, use your breath. Use those sounds. Exhale through the mouth. Just staying here for 10 more seconds. You're doing very well. Last 5. And done. Come back up. Untuck your toes and just tap, tap, tap. And keeping the top of your feet on the mat, just take a stretch once again. Doing a counter pose. Keeping the hips on the heels. Good. Excellent. Slowly coming back to tabletop. We are going to go back into a deep squat. So if you're in your late trimester, make sure there is a bolster or something at the back. So going back, and you can sit this way if you're in the 3rd trimester. Otherwise, if you're comfortable, you can be here or you can be in that low squat. Okay? Keeping your both the palms on the mat, take a breath in and open the right hand up and back down, and open the left hand up and back down. Good. And once again, join your hands in the prayer pose. Good. Beautiful. Placing both the palms on the mat. Taking your time, slowly roll up. If you're in a late trimester, good idea to keep your hands on your thighs and slowly come up. Okay? Good. Now we are going to come to the front of our mat. Spring our right leg to the back. Okay? And we are going to come on the balls of the toes. Okay? If you have pelvic girdle pain, more than welcome to keep it closer. Otherwise, stay here. Hands in cactus shape. Okay? As we breathe in, we are going to go up and straighten the leg, join the palms, and breathing out, down. Okay? And we are going to try and touch the heel to the mat. Let's do the hands first. So come up and down. Are you feeling the stretch in the calves? Release your hands and just let us do the legs first. Sorry. Up and down. Who is not feeling the stretch in the calves? Everybody? Good. Up and down. It's like a nice scissor movement, yeah? Nice. Keep going. Nice. Now we can do the hands. Okay? So up and down. Up and down. And as we exhale, and down. And down. And down. And down. And down. And down. And stay here. Okay? Now we are going to lift the back leg and bring it up. If that's not comfortable, just bring it to the front. Okay? Sometimes balancing can be an issue. And as you go down, okay, at the back, up and back, up. Very good, everyone. Up and back, up and back, up and back, and up. And we are going to balance here. Sorry. If balancing feels difficult, feel free to just touch one toe down. Excellent. Those who are comfortable going for the next variation, cross your legs and see if you can take a seat here. Please, if you feel wobbly, grab a wall. Okay, please work with your limits. We don't want anyone to really lose their balance. Good. And come up and place it back down. Release your hands. Well done, everyone. Very impressive. Okay. Going on to the other side. This time, we are going to spring the left leg back. So everybody understood that kind of a scissor movement that we are doing? Okay. So up and down, up and down. As you come up, front leg straight and down. And as you come down, it's bent, yeah? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Keep going. Now we are going to combine it with the arms and down and down. Exhale, in exhale, in, exhale, in, and we hold here. Now bringing the back leg to the front. In, down, in, down. 4 more. In, down. If you're not comfortable, just walk it to the front. In, down, in, down. Last one. In, down, and up. Going for a balance. And if comfortable, you can cross your legs and sit. Good. Slowly come back up and relax. You can try this balance at your home, closer to the wall. Okay, well done. Keeping your legs wide. The toes in this time. Take a breath in, and with a flat back, fold forwards, enjoying a nice stretch at the back of your legs. Good. Slowly come back up. Now turning the toes out. Take a breath in and fold forwards with a flat back. Keep your hands on your thighs. You'll take a nice twist. Take a breath in and twist to your right side. Breath in and twist to your left. And one more time at your own pace. And back to center. Just release your hands. And with some ha sounds, just take some pulses here. You can go as low as you like by keeping your knees bent, or if you feel like you feel dizzy when your head is down, just stay up, hands loose, and do the ha sound. Good. And from here, keeping your palms on the mat, slowly come down into a lying down position. Very, very slowly on your left side. Grab some water if you like before going into the relaxation. Make yourselves comfortable with a pillow under your head or pillow between your knees. We are going to do 5 rounds of strong holds of pelvic floor and 10 rounds of quick lifts, and after that we'll go into relaxation. So firstly, take some breaths to relax your belly and just let go of the pelvic floor. Let go of the muscles around your private parts. Now imagine you are squeezing the muscles around your private parts and lifting up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go fully. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift. 3, 2, 1. Let it go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift. 3, 2, 1. Let it go fully. Release. 2, 1. Squeeze and lift. 3, 2, 1. Let it go. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze and lift. 3, 2, 1. Fully let it go. 2, 1. And let it go, let it melt away, let it soften. Take a few breaths in and out. Now we'll do 10 rounds of quick lifts. So lift, release, lift, release, lift, release, 4, release, 5, release, 6, release, 7, release, 8, release, in, release, in, release. Let it go. Take a couple of breaths. As you breathe in and out, let your body melt onto the floor. Let each and every part of your body relax. Let it soften. Including the legs, thighs, hips, the pelvic floor, the belly. Let your baby rest in the hammock of your belly. The belly is all relaxed and loose. Relaxing the chest, the arms, shoulders. Relaxing your face. Forehead, the entire back, relaxing your complete body. Taking your time, let us come up into a seated position with the support of your hands. We bring our palms in front of the chest. Eyes remain closed, keeping a gentle smile on your face. Start rubbing your hands. When it feels warm enough, cup your eyes and gently massage your face, eyes. Just transfer the warmth to all parts of your body. And once you feel complete, you may open your eyes.